Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your SONY Xperia L4, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to click on the device connection, tap on the pair new device, and right now our Xperia is looking for the devices, and here it is, my smartphone Huawei P30 Pro. So I'm gonna pair with my phone. Click on the pair on your Xperia, and also do the same on the second smartphone. And as you can see, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.